Hey guys, here I am again. Alright, so this came today, my box of filters. It came with a landing gear extension thing, so I'm assuming that lifts up the drone a bit more, which is okay because when you're landing on uneven surfaces you don't want it kind of ruining things. And then I've got my new propellers, so I'm gonna go and replace these propellers, and I'm gonna do it in a time-lapse mode on my phone. I haven't played around with that too much, but because I've got the Osmo 3, it's another DJI product. Basically it's a stabilizer for your phone. So I will replace the broken propeller and the marked up props, and yeah, and I'll do that in time lapse, and I want to see how it looks. Again, I'm just testing everything lately. So anyway, thanks for joining. One thing I did notice is that each propeller has a little direction symbol on it. As you can see, that's some of the damage from Saturday when it came off my roof in the wind. And this one goes the other way. So it's obviously, you have to put them on the right way. And these ones go on the top, left and right, where that L is, the orange piece. So you have to be careful of how you put these on, or else, yeah, your drone won't fly. Or it might take off and then it might crash due to lack of downforce or something. So, but that's one thing I've noticed. Let's get to installing these things.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring.
There we go. After about 10 minutes of work, taking off some screws, you got new propellers. So it'll be another test flight this weekend, and go from there. But yeah, that's how you replace the propellers on these. You just loosen those screws, take them out, there you go, put the new ones on. Pretty simple.